Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide posts on Instagram profile. First you just need to open the Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner here. Now you just need to select that post that you want to hide. For example, this post, I'm going to hide this post, so you just need to tap on this three dot button to hide any post on your profile. Now from here you will find archive option, and if you tap on archive option it will immediately hide your post from your Instagram profile like this, and tap on this archive again, and here you can see it is just archiving. So that's how you can just archive your post, and here you can see it has just hide that post from my Instagram profile. So you just need to go to the actually not here, tap on this three line button at the top right corner, and from archive, in the post archive you can find all the posts that you have hide from your Instagram profile. That's how you can easily hide posts on Instagram profile. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.